if you need extra sleeping space or you love sleepovers. This Over Full Bunk Bed is perfect for your home. High quality. Solid pine legs and a strong, durable frame ensures stability and durability for long-term use. Slat kit included, so box springs are not required. This low bunk bed is designed with a clean silhouette and a hue of elegance. It suits all styles of home decoration and completes the look of any bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Low full bunk beds for kids. This Over Full Bunk Bed frame is low-profile design. The bottom bed is on the floor, so the bunk is much lower than other bunk beds, which makes it a better, safer choice for your toddlers, children, perfect for a house with a low ceiling. Number 2. Solid Wood Bunk Bed. Our stylish low bunk bed frame is made of solid wood and artificial wood with a beautiful surface, sturdy enough, suitable for children, without squeaking and sliding sound. Besides, different from other bunk beds, the toddler bunk bed increases the number of bed slats, which not only improves the load-bearing capacity but also ensures the safety of use. Number 3. Space-saving floor bunk beds. This Over Full low bunk bed suit for those families who has low ceilings and take advantage of vertical space. This wooden Over Full bunk bed can save plenty of room for you to place other furniture in the kids' bedroom. Perfect for families with 1 or 2 kids. Number 4. Reliable safety design. The low-profile lower bunk is perfect for families with younger kids. Full-length guardrails on the upper bunk prevent accidental falls. The built-in 3-step ladder tightly attaches to the bed for easy access and wobble-free footing. This wooden bunk bed ensures top-notch security for your kids. What's more, the solid legs made of solid pine wood can add strength and durability. Number 5. Perfect toddler bunk bed for small space. This full bunk bed for boys, girls takes up minimal space and provides a sleeping room for 2, ideal for any living environment, like children's bedrooms, dorms, universities, residential treatment facilities, and bunkhouses. This wood bunk bed for kids comes with clear instructions that will guide you through all steps. Note, this bunk will be delivered in 2 boxes. Please wait patiently for both boxes delivered before assembly, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.